Welcome back, everyone. So today we are reviewing another pair of heated gloves. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. Alright, so it comes with a laundry bag. So you would put the gloves in this bag for washing. So they are washable. Here are the gloves. Oh, okay, so it looks like they provide you with a charging cable for the batteries because it is rechargeable. And one USB cable charges both batteries. So here are the gloves. So overall, standard gloves, nice and padded. So on the palms and the fingers, it feels almost like leather. So that's a nice feature. Take a look at the style, looks very nice. Let's go ahead and disconnect each one from each other here, and then we can see. Let's go ahead and feel how warm they are inside. Oh yeah. Oh wow. So that is really soft material inside. Really soft. So to make it tight around your wrist, all you have to do is pull the strap, and now it's tight. And all you have to do is pull this strap, and it's tight now right up in here. This is your power button right here, and your battery is inside here. So let's go ahead and loosen this up. Very simple to loosen up. Just pull everything back. Let's take out the battery and show you guys the battery. Okay, so that's a nice, I love that. I love when they take detail for the battery, so it's nice squared off design. Smooth surface battery. Let's go ahead and see. It is 3.7 volts. It's a 4000 mAh battery. Wow. Input 2000 mAh. Capacity is the 4000. Output maximum watts 7.4 watts. Wow. This is really nice. So inside the battery zippered compartment, you're going to have this little plug. That's going to go right inside the battery. Once you do that, you're going to see on your gloves, it's going to light up 3 colors and then go off. So place your battery back inside. Make sure you zipper it up. And now, when you press the button here, nothing will happen. You have to press and hold it to turn it on. And then once you press and hold it to turn it on, do you see how it's red and it's kind of just breathing red? That is high mode. You press it again. That is, let's see, should be high, low, medium, high. So white is low, blue is medium, red is high. Let's go ahead and turn it on high, see how quick it heats up. So far I'm not feeling any heat yet. Takes time for it to heat up. You know, you don't want a glove. If you get a pair of gloves that rapidly heats up, those are the kind of gloves that can start fires very quickly because they rapidly get heated. Okay, I'm starting to feel the warmth now. So it's definitely coming, and it actually feels like it's all throughout the glove. So like your entire hand. You know, a lot of gloves, sometimes you just feel it right in your palm or maybe like right up in here. But this one, it feels like the heat is evenly being dispersed my entire hand. Not so much back here, but that doesn't really matter. It's your hand that you want to care about. And we got to turn this off. It's getting very warm. So yeah, overall, nice quality, nice design. I'm very happy with this. I think you guys will be too. The function works great. And that's the most important things with heated gloves are, number one, they work right. Number two, they're soft inside and warm even without the battery being on, which this one is. And overall, yeah, nice pair of heated gloves.